Hello, TGIS. The grind includes Saturday. Hey everybody, it's Brian. I wanted to shoot this video here, this beautiful river and this beautiful catwalk above me, behind me. And I want to tell you, in 12 months, 1 year from now, what my consulting agency is going to make me feel. It's going to make me feel amazing. It's going to make me feel more passionate than I am right now. I'm going to feel more successful. I'm going to be able to do things that I'm not able to do right now. I'm going to be able to buy my family a new house. I'm going to be able to do things that I can't do right now, which is travel. I love to travel. Me and my fiance Cheryl, we love to travel around the world. I want to do more of that. I want to go skydiving again. I want to go diving in the ocean again. Now, the way I feel day to day about my job in my business is fun. I love what I do. I am passionate about what I do every day in helping my clients win approvals for their claims for each one of their projects, their insurance projects. Now, and I am amazed at what it's going to do for my clients as well. My clients are going to be able to do things that they're not able to do now. They're going to be able to grow their business. They're going to be able to hire more staff, more sales staff. They're going to be able to expand their business, grow. They're not going to be afraid to grow because they are going to have the money to be able to invest back into their company. They're going to be able to spend more time with their families and do all of the things that they want to do with their families, and the reasons why they got into their roofing or commercial or residential roofing companies started. So I wanted to let all of my contractors know, especially out there in the DFW, Midwest, California, Ohio area, the Northeast, in Florida, I'm here for you. Give me a shout out. I want to help. Help me so that I can help you succeed in your business, in your market. Peace.